All the scenes you are seeing on screen right now were generated using AI. There is absolutely no editing. In this video, I will teach you how to make AI animations like these for your own projects for free. You only need Discord. Let's start. We will be using a tool called Moonvalley text-to-video generator. I have given the link to their website in the description. Open the Moonvalley website and click the Try Beta button. It will take you to Discord page. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you will be shown all the Discord channels. Click any of the new creators channels and type /create. Fill in the prompt and style of video. Choose a duration. Long videos are 3-second long. Shorter ones are 1 second. Press enter. It will take 1 to 2 mins to generate, depending on your position in the queue. Here's what I got. Pretty good, right? I encourage you to explore the creations by other users. There is also a Best of Moonvalley channel where you can get some awesome prompt ideas. That's all, guys. I hope you have fun using the tool and create some amazing stories. If you like such practical AI tutorials that get straight to the point, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.